Friends, here let us have a look at this question. In a lake, the tip of bud of a lotus flower is seen 10 centimeters above the surface of water. That means, let us suppose this is the surface of water. 10 centimeters above the surface of water. So 10 centimeters above the surface of water, a lotus flower is seen. Okay. Forced by the wind, it gradually moved and just submerged at a distance of 30 centimeters. The depth of water at the root of the lotus plant. That means the depth of the water at root of the lotus plant means this is the full distance of the lotus plant. And above 10 centimeters above the water level, you can see that plant. This is the depth. We don't know what is the distance of this depth. So, on the surface of water 10 centimeters above, we can see the plant, lotus plant. Now, what is saying? Forced by the wind, it gradually moved and just submerged at a distance of 30 centimeters. So, this is the root definitely. So, what he is trying to say, suppose the wind is flowing in this direction, so it gradually submerged and it bent like this. Okay. So, by the wind it gradually just submerged at a distance of 30 centimeters. So, this distance he is telling 30 centimeters. This distance this is nothing but 30 centimeters. So, from the language, this is nothing but a tricky language. Language is the only thing that matters here. So, there is a lotus plant. Inside the water, there is submerged distance, that is depth D. We don't know. We have to find what is that depth of that plant. But above the surface of the water, 10 centimeters above the water level, we can see the plant. So, because of the wind force, the root will be stationary. So, it got submerged at 30 centimeters. That means it got submerged here. So, he is asking what is this distance. Friends, this distance, this is nothing but the total distance of the plant. So, this distance is equal to this distance. What is the total distance? D plus 10. So, this will be definitely equal to D plus 10. That will be definitely equal to D plus 10. Now, apply Pythagoras. This is right angle triangle. So, he is asking what is the value of this D. Okay. So, applying Pythagoras, that is nothing but D square plus 30 square is equal to D plus 10 whole square. Height square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So, D square plus 900 is equal to D square plus 20D plus 100. So, D square gets cancelled. So, 20D is equal to 900 minus 100. So, 20D is equal to 800. So, D is equal to 800 by 20, that gives 40. So, that gives 40. So, option A is the correct answer for this question. Simple, tricky language, that's all. So, forced by the wind, it gradually moved and just submerged at a distance of 30 centimeters means, so it got, by the wind, it got submerged and it bent like this and it came up to here. This is the meaning of this question. Sometimes the language will be so tricky so that you have to understand. Simple case of Pythagoras theorem, but I hope this tricky question we can solve if you understand the language properly.